Hi, everybody.
We're at Burnt Coat Park. No,
Burnt Coat Head Park.
in Nova Scotia.
And that's one of the features here.
It's
These
called the
rock
flower pot.
formations that are eroded by the high tides that come in and flood this whole area.
This is one of the places of the highest tides. Actually, right here is the highest tide ever recorded anywhere in the world. And it's the tides that come in every day, it's the same amount of water as all of the rivers in the world emptying at once. And then it happens twice a day. So this is really awesome. We're totally digging it here. So we'll see you. Come and join us
Join us
next
next year.
October 2026.
All right.
Peace and love.